Welcome back, kids. It's Fun Place. Today we have all these cool cars. We're gonna match them to its correct building. Let's get started. First car we have today is this cool red Mickey Mouse Clubhouse car. It has Mickey in the front window and Pluto in the back, and this cool Mickey Mouse symbol. Okay, let's drive it to its building. We're at the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. There's Donald and Minnie waiting for Mickey and Pluto. Next we have Minnie in her cute pink car. It has a little bow and her cute puppy behind her. Okay, Minnie, where are we off to? Minnie is driving to her boutique. Who's waiting for her? It's Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Here we have a yellow school bus, and the driver is Clarabelle. She's driving all the kids to school. And over here we have Minnie. Okay, Clarabelle, we're ready to go to school. At school, Mickey and Minnie, Donald are waiting for all the children. Here we have this cool white ambulance with the blue and orange stripes. And the driver is Minnie, and in the back is Chip and Dale. Let's drive to the hospital, Minnie. There we have Goofy and Mickey waiting for us. Now we have this cool red fire truck. Firefighter Mickey and Firefighter Minnie. Over here we have the ladder and the Mickey logo again. Ready to go to the fire station, Mickey. Look, there's Pluto and Goofy waiting for us. Hi, guys. Last, we have our police car. We have Donald as a policeman and his dog. The car is white and black and with the Mickey Sheriff's symbol. Let's see who's waiting at the station, Donald. Hey, it's Pluto and Mickey. Let's go over all the cars. First, we have Mickey in the red car at the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. We have Minnie's pink car at her boutique. We have the yellow school bus at school. A white ambulance at the hospital. Mickey and Minnie's red fire truck at the fire station. And Donald's black and white police car at the police station. That's it for this time, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our videos and want to join our family, please hit the blue circle here and hit the red button to subscribe. If you want to watch more videos, click here for this video. Or you can click here for this one or up here for this one.